This is the General Electric Carry-Cooled Window Air Conditioner, so named because it is easy to carry for a window unit. It weighs 48 pounds, which is light for an air conditioner. Thanks to the built-in handle on top, you can carry it easily from window to window. You can also take this air conditioner with you to your summer cottage for the weekend and back. This air conditioner measures 21 inches wide, 16 inches high, and 14 inches deep. It has adjustable side curtains that allow it to fit into windows up to 3 feet wide. This air conditioner is a wide profile unit, which means that the outdoor part sticks out somewhat. The Carry-Cool was unveiled in 1971. General Electric manufactured it in the 1970s and 80s and sold it under the GE brand. It was also sold under several other brands, including Hotpoint and Kenmore. What you see here is the GE model. This Carry-Cool is a later model. The Carry-Cool got a facelift in 1977. The front panel of the indoor part was redesigned with a pattern of 7 vertical rectangles. The control panel was also redesigned, and it got a vent control feature. On earlier models of the Carry-Cool, the front panel had a design of thin horizontal bars and large recessed knobs. The controls are located at the far left in one of the vertical rectangles. The other 6 rectangles each have a smaller wood grain panel in them. And finally, you can tell that this is a later model if you remove the front panel. The fans are black. Until about 1984, the GE Carry-Cool was made with gray fans. It has 2 knobs. The lower knob is the on-off switch, and it has 2 speeds. The settings to the right are if you want to run the compressor. The settings to the left are if you want to run only the fan. The upper knob is the thermostat. It has settings from 1 to 10. 1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest. It also has a vent control switch. The vent control is located on the front panel near the lower right corner, right here. Admittedly, this is a strange location for it. You would expect it to be located on the control panel along with the other knobs. The vent control allows the air conditioner to pull a small amount of uncooled air out of the room. To turn on the vent control switch, push it in and to the right. To turn it off, push it in and to the left. This air conditioner has 5,000 BTUs. It can cool up to 200 square feet of space. It is best suited for a bedroom or a study or a small apartment. The Carry-Cool is unique, not only because of the built-in handle, but also because the outside is entirely plastic. It blows air through the vent on top. The vent has fixed louvers that cannot be adjusted, and that is true not only with this model, but with most Carry-Cool air conditioners. The Carry-Cool is good to keep for emergencies. When the central air at my place failed one summer, I put this air conditioner in my bedroom window, and it kept me cool while I waited for the central air to get fixed. Now I'll show you the back. Here is the outdoor part. It too is plastic. The front has a design with horizontal slats. There are vents on the sides and on the top to blow out the hot air, as well as a round vent on the front for the outside fan. There is a nameplate located in the upper left corner that has the brand logo. The outdoor part looks like a large speaker. I have had people mistake this air conditioner for being a sound system. To the right is a large round vent for the outside fan. The round vent has mostly horizontal slats, but it also has 3 vertical slats in it. In the upper left corner is the GE nameplate. From the outside you can tell that this is a later model because the outdoor case is beige and because the round outside vent has 3 vertical slats in it. Early models of the Carry Cool had a creamy yellow outdoor case and only 1 vertical slat in the round vent. The newer design was adopted when the Carry Cool was facelifted in 1977. The nameplate is located here in the upper left corner. From the outside you can tell that this is a GE model because the nameplate is red and white. Hotpoint models had a brown nameplate. Kenmore models had a black nameplate. Now that you've seen this air conditioner inside and out, let's see how it runs. This air conditioner blows cold air. It can also be useful as a white noise machine. It has no trouble drowning out noise from outside. With this air conditioner, I'll be ready if the central air should fail again. And that's my GE Carry Cooled window air conditioner. Thanks for watching.